Hey guys, let's make some delicious Ghanaian drop donuts for a birthday party. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. For this recipe, I am going to start with the butter, and then I am going to add some granulated sugar to it. And not worry, I'm going to leave all the quantities. Next, I am going to mix the sugar and the butter together until it becomes nice and creamy like this. And then I'm going to add in the eggs, but I'll add it in 2 times because it's going to be too runny otherwise. So I've added the first 3, and then I am going to mix it in between for a few seconds. And then I am going to add the remaining 3 eggs. There seem to be a lot of eggs, but it's because, like I said, I'm making a big batch of donuts for a party. And this is it. I'm so sorry, but my camera decided not to focus anymore. I added my vanilla essence and then I mix it for a few seconds. So now the dried ingredients. I've got here my all-purpose flour. I'm adding some salt. Next, I'm going to add my nutmeg powder. You can also grate the fresh one. Then I'm going to add my baking powder. Please do not use baking soda. This is baking powder. Okay. And then I am going to mix everything. So we've got this ready as well. So the next step is to add in the flour. Add it step by step. I'm going to add it in 2 times and then alternate it with the fresh milk. Next, I am going to mix it with my hand mixer until it is well combined. You can also use evaporated milk if that's what you prefer. Alright, I am now going to add the other half of the flour and the other half of my milk. And again, I am going to mix it until well combined. And this is it, guys. My donut batter is ready. Now I am going to heat up some fresh vegetable oil and drop my donuts in when the oil is hot enough. Make sure it is not too hot or else it's going to burn, and not too cold or it will soak up the oil, and that's not what we want. We want nice Ghanaian drop donuts. So keep an eye on it and don't forget to turn them over. Okay, so this is how it looks like after a few minutes, and I am going to take them out of the oil now and let the excess oil drain on kitchen towel. Hey guys, the party donuts are ready and I got about 50 to 60 donuts or even more, I think, and I'm going to show you how it looks like on the inside. So this is it, a perfect Ghanaian donut. Okay, so this was my recipe. I really hope you enjoyed watching it and that you are going to try it. If you do, don't forget to leave me a comment. Don't forget to like my video and to share them. I really appreciate that. And I'll see you next time for another Mrs. Jury recipe. Okay, until then, stay blessed and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.